welcome to another episode of Cooking with Caio. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make salmon quinoa muffins. And they're a really quick, easy snack to make. So I'm going to quickly go over my ingredients, then get to cooking. So first I have 3 green scallions, 100 grams of smoked salmon, 1 cup of quinoa flakes, 1 cup of cottage cheese, and 3 eggs. Salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So the first step is mix my quinoa flakes with this. Then I'll put in the cottage cheese. And I'll put in the scallions. And then, of course, the smoked salmon. And then I'm going to mix it up a little, then I'll add the spices. Now that it's mixed nice and well, I'm going to add my salt, my pepper, and about a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to mix it up just a little more so my spices are nice and mixed in. Now that my spices are mixed, I'm going to add them into my oiled muffin pan. Now that I've put everything into my oiled muffin pan, I'm going to put it into my oven that is at 180 degrees. And remember, be careful, so use oven gloves or a rag or something, because you don't want to get burnt. And after 15 minutes, we're going to have some nice muffins. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to take them out of the oven. And then, here we have it, my salmon quinoa muffins. Hope you liked the video. If so, please like and subscribe. And if you have any new recipes you'd like me to try, leave them down below in the comment section. So see you next time on Cooking with Caio.